Good morning. It's 6:50 a.m. August 10, Sunday morning. We are here in Villar Avenue or Villar City. We are southbound. Ito yung kanilang version for Carless Sunday. This portion of the road close to car traffic. So solo na mga bike, joggers, walkers. Yan, Foresta Cafe on the right. Chill ride lang tayo. We are traversing or on this road southbound towards the corner of Molino Road. So turning left, U-Town. So medyo makuna tong portion na to. Falls flat. So ayan. Dami tayo nakakasalubong on this Carless Sunday. Marami na rin tayo mga nakita na nakabike, road bike, gravel bike, mountain bike. Meron din naka folding kanina, and then some runners, walkers with their pets. So konting background sa map ng plot or route. This portion would be over 3 kilometers one way. Then ano siya, medyo paakyat siya, so we'll be gaining some elevation. Right now ang elevation natin according to the XOSS nav computer is 82 meters above sea level, and ang gradient natin 1.23, 1.1. So ayan, sabi nga nila makunat or falls flats. So overall we have covered 21 kilometers with a moving time of 1 hour and 8 minutes. Apologies dun sa knocking sound. So our speed 17.6. So ito ay development according sa mga videos. Ads going to be a mix commercial and residential. So malawak siya. So ayan, mga nakakasalubong tayo. 18.9 ang speed. 18.7. Morning. .1 yung gradient. Deceptive. Medyo may headwind, feel ko. Dumadampi sa aking mga pisngi ang hangin. So slight downhill. Gravel. Turning right. Yun. Kita nyo ba yun? Morning! Kita nyo ba yun? Paghandaan natin yun. Tinang na. Then look. Let's look at the bike computer kung ano yung gradient elevation. Right now, elevation natin 95 meters above sea level. Alright. So prepare for soft gear. Oh. 4.2 elevation, 93 meters elevation, 4.5 yung gradient. Okay, nasa soft gear na tayo. 34 teeth sa likod, 3.7 gradient, 6.9 1212, 11.3, 9.9, 10.7, 9.8, di ba pala tapos? Meron pa isa. Meron pang isa. Elevation 106 meters above sea level. Ayan. Meron tayong Peloton, Echelon, So ayun yung corner na yung up ahead, yun yung Molino Road. Alright, na tayo. Uy, ahas yun ah. Ahas ba yun?